We begin at 6 o'clock with a consumer alert. What you may not know about how your insurance company comes up with the rate you pay.
One West Michigan man had no idea how much his previously poor credit score was costing him. He turned to Target 8 investigator Susan Samples to make sure that others know what he did not.
Brian and Sue, you know your credit history, whether you pay your bills on time, etc., can really haunt you, but it can also cost you when it comes to your insurance premiums.
Well, I've been overcharged $500 a year.
This truck driver from Kent County didn't want to be identified, worried insurers might try to drop him, but he did want to get the word out.
I'm sure this has happened to a lot of people that don't even know about it yet, that they're paying a lot more than they need to.
He found out he'd been overpaying for home and car insurance when he noticed his agency still listed an old credit score.
I've been with this company for about 15 years, and from what I see, my credit score has always been the same on my policy.
But that old score, 679, had improved to 806 years ago. In an email exchange, his agent said, "I know it's a bummer this happened to you, but unless the customer requests a requote or for us to look into their insurance score, we in the office have no way of knowing what the insurance score is." With the newly updated credit rating, his home premium dropped from $660 a year to $458, and auto dropped from $102 to $78 a month. Total savings nearly $500 a year.
I felt like I was being taken advantage of.
Credit factors into everything that we do in life nowadays, unfortunately.
Mike Kolka, owner of Allstate on the East Beltline, is not the company that insures our tipster, but he says it's common for companies to use credit history to help determine insurance rates, that research has proven a correlation between credit rating and insurance risk. While Kolka says his office reviews clients' premiums annually and suggests rerunning credit if it would cut rates, he's not surprised other companies don't check or that consumers are in the dark.
I would be bound to say the majority of the public has no idea.
They should be the ones to have to update every renewal and get a new credit score.
But they don't have to do that. Bottom line, if your credit has improved, it's up to you to ask for an updated rate. If it hasn't improved, you might not want to do that. The state's insurance regulator tells me Michigan is one of 47 states that allows credit-based insurance scoring, but insurers have to demonstrate to the state that credit is a reasonable predictor of losses, which research has apparently done. Back to you.